Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is different because I'll be doing an entirely different type of video from my usual type of video. Reason because this video is my birthday video. I'm turning a year older and I wanted to do something different this time. Instead of just celebrating with parties and gifts, I decided to focus on finding realistic motivation. You see, birthdays can be a time for reflection, and I realized that I needed to redefine what motivation means to me. We see all these perfect Instagram posts and TED Talks online about achieving our goals. But it's hard to relate to them, especially when we are all struggling. This is my 5th take because I want to be able to come back and look at this video in future and remember this age. I know that someone out there, this video will go a long way for the person. So number one thing that I'm going to say is that you should actually take your prayer life serious. Whatever career path, whatever thing you want to do, whether it's writing, music, visual assistance, anything online, anything physical, anything psychological, mentally, anything you want to do, just make sure that you put God first in everything. Take your prayer life serious. I think that's all I have to say about number one, prayer. And then we have number 2, trial and error. So you're trying to find yourself out there and you still don't know what you want to do. You still haven't been able to figure out your life yet. It's okay to try things and to make mistakes. It's okay to try things and fail. When you're not sure of yourself, when you're not comfortable about anything, it's okay to try and try another thing. Try 1 minute, try the next minute. It's just okay. The number 3 thing I want to say right now is don't find motivation in things you know will not work out for you. Yes. Number 3 is do not find motivation in things you know will not work for you. Yes. So let's say okay, let me use myself as an example. So there was a time I was actually learning tailoring. Like I was learning it, I was actually doing well, but then I was not comfortable in what I was doing because I've always loved writing, you get. But then I needed someone to actually groom me in the writing process. I didn't really have a fun there. So I was not comfortable. I was not enjoying what I was doing. So why am I saying this? If you're not comfortable in what you're doing, or you don't like what you're doing, or you feel like there is a gap, there's a gap that needs to be bridged in what you're doing, it's okay for you to leave it. As I said in number 2, trial and error. It's okay for you to try something else. It's okay for you to try something else until you are comfortable with it. 4 on my list says use free platforms. Yes, that's what my number 4 is saying. Use free platforms to learn new things. Instead of just staying and scrolling on your phone from morning till night, there are platforms out there right now in the 21st century. Yes, this 2026. Use free platforms, learn new things. Let's say you want to write. Just as you're hopping on my channel, use YouTube. There are platforms, example, YouTube. There's Coursera, there's Udemy, there's TikTok, even though information is quite limited on TikTok. But then, instead of just scrolling and, finding entertainment on social media, why don't you try to educate yourself there? And I think that's just it. And I think the internet has a lot of information there, especially on YouTube. There's nothing that you are looking for that you will not find the information, even though it's 20% of that information on YouTube. So use free platforms to learn new things. And I have number 5, which says build consistency in things you're comfortable with. Yes, just like me. Let's use me for an example. as I like writing and I've started writing and I'm already seeing little results in what I'm doing and I'm actually comfortable with it. I think the best thing for me is to actually build consistency. There's this saying that says a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step. Yet, yes, there's also this saying that I know that says little drop of water can make an ocean. Yes, once you build consistency in something that you are comfortable with, you see yourself soaring higher, you see yourself doing well. That's the last thing I wanted to say on this video, and I'm actually happy that I was able to make this video. I am grateful to God for this opportunity because there are a lot of people out there, I don't know, but God kept me alive for me to see this age, and I am so grateful to God. I thank God for this age. I thank God for all his blessings in my life. And I guess this is a happy birthday to me. I'll see you next year. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.
Oh yeah, now you people should do. Wait, she wants to cut. She wants to make wish. Oh yeah, it have not reached. Then you continue make your own wish. You make wish in your mind. Then you now blow the candle. Pray inside your mind. Close your eyes and pray inside your mind.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Amen. Daddy, I finish his own wish. I blow candle.
Happy birthday.
We are cutting the cake in the name of God. So we are cutting the cake in the name of God the Father.
Wait, this cake is not shared.
In the name of Tinubu. In the name of God the Father.
I'm on camera.
And now
You.